Fetch it up.
Cut the last bird down.
Okay.
And so we're going to kind of stagger the birds a little bit here. And if you're using real ducks, the proper way of loading this is put his head under his wing. You lay that head and wing in the bottom. You put it down in the bottom, kind of insert it down. You want to make sure that nothing is actually hanging out. If something's hanging out, for example, if his head was hanging out, when it went through up here, his head would strike this or down here somewhere, and you get what's called a no bird. That means the dog didn't get a fair look at the bird. Gotcha. So it has to be done over.
Fetch it up.